Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account context. Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that needs access. Once done, open the file or folder's details pane and inspect owner and permission settings. This shows who controls access. If you see a different owner, request access immediately or ask them to grant editor or viewer rights. Do this now because ownership and explicit shares are the most common causes of access denied errors. Next, examine the share link type. You'll want to know if it's restrictive, anyone with link, or domain limited. That explains why you can't open it from outside an organization. Make sure the file hasn't been moved into a shared drive with stricter policies or nested in a restricted parent folder. Inheritance matters. If things still fail, open the same link in an incognito window to eliminate cache, stale tokens, or browser extensions interfering with authentication. Finally, resolve the situation by having the owner adjust sharing or transfer ownership, and make sure they add your account explicitly. If you're on a workspace domain, involve the admin to review drive sharing rules or OAuth restrictions. That's often the blocker. Once changed, sign out and sign back in, clear browser cache, or test another device. If it still fails, ask the owner to remove and re-add your permission. That refresh often fixes stubborn access denied issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.